just came to say hello.
Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the Crafty Corner. I am Katrina. I am just bringing you 2 more concepts that I created today. I was able to get these done. These are the purse bags that I got from Temu. I used the Perfume Diva in the pink bag and the Perfume Vibes in the red bag. And then I just matched up sets of things I had in those colors. I had the hand cream from Big Lots as well as the bath confetti, pair of socks. Both of them have the confetti and the hand creams. And then the teddy bears from Dollar Tree. I also used the chocolate covered strawberry drizzled pretzels in the back there. I added some of the little gift balls to just give it a little decor. And I think this has turned out beautifully. I will wrap these and bow them. Tell me what you think in the comments. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.
I just came to say hello.